U.S. Army must be prepared to fight across multiple physical domains and contested areas, on land, air, and sea, and increasingly underground. Tunnels have helped the enemy avoid detection and gain a tactical advantage for centuries. In modern warfare, nation-states along with the Taliban and ISIS are using tunnels to evade detection and operate against coalition forces. The Rapid Equipping Force, or REF, based at Fort Belvoir, Virginia, traveled to the Muscatatuck Urban Training Center in February as part of a continuing effort to develop tools that will help soldiers fight and win in the subterranean, or sub-T, environment. Sub-T environments can be as confined as a hand-dug tunnel and scale up to be as large as an underground city with complete infrastructure. They can be so dark that standard night vision devices without light intensification are ineffective. Environmental conditions can change in an instant. Choking dust, smoke, or gas inhibit breathing and obscure vision without warning. Operating underground can deny mission command GPS-enabled systems. A platoon of combat engineers from the 307th Engineer Battalion of the 82nd Airborne Division executed a week-long training event in February 2017, which culminated with a sub-T exercise involving commercial and government off-the-shelf technologies to enable operations in this complex environment.
For the initial part of the subterranean exercise, they'll go in with the equipment that they are issued. They take that into the subterranean complex, and they find out that it doesn't meet their need as they're doing the operation. And so we're giving them new technology, or introducing new technology so they can defeat the subterranean operation.
Subject matter experts from the Rapid Equipping Force and the Asymmetric Warfare Group trained the paratroopers how to use and employ the equipment. This equipment included breaching equipment, such as battery-powered circular and chainsaws, exothermic cutting torches, and other devices. To see through the darkness, paratroopers used modernized optics and other visual augmentation equipment. In order to breathe in oxygen-depleted or nauseous environments for extended periods of time, they used a multifunctional breathing apparatus. And finally, to communicate and track soldiers in a subterranean environment, the REF introduced a mesh-networked radio and pedometer tracking system.
One of the primary missions of the REF is to inform for the future force, and as part of that, we're teamed with Asymmetric Warfare Group, Maneuver Center of Excellence, and Maneuver Support Center of Excellence, plus many others, and have been so since 2013 as we take a look at how to accomplish subterranean operations.
After training on the new equipment, the paratroopers conducted a realistic rescue mission through dark tunnels and encountered challenges like seeing, breathing, and communicating while fighting an opposing force. Here you see soldiers with fused thermal light intensification and a view without. In the end, the paratroopers overcame the environment and breached multiple obstacles to enter an underground prison while freeing hostages from locked jails.
In short, I definitely learned how to operate and move a team through a sub-T environment.
And just generally have more situational awareness.
You never know what environment you're going to be in: snow, rain, heat, even under a tunnel.
Through our continuing partnership with the AWG, this exercise will inform the total force, help solve the capability gap of operating in a sub-T environment, and equip a future unit operating in dense and urban terrain.